Hello YouTube, it's SL Auto, aka Zulu Boy Mechanic here. So I've got 2005 Nissan X-Trail 2.5 engine right there. It's just a 4-cylinder. All right, so I'm just doing spark plug replacement on this one. It's not a difficult job. You watch my video, you should be able to do this by yourself without spending much money, other than just buying the parts if you do have the tools. If not, then of course you're going to spend extra to get the tools, or you can borrow from your neighbor. Anyways, I've got my new plugs here, 4 of them, ready to go in. And then I have my extension and my nice snap-on socket. Love this socket, spark plug socket, 5/8. There's a magnet inside. Once I drop a spark in there, it ain't going nowhere. That's why I love this socket. I paid lots of money for it, but it's worth it. And I've got my 3/8 ratchet as well, snap-on. I'm not a snap-on guy, but sometimes you have to spend money to get some quality tools. And I've got my dielectric grease. It's always good to apply this whenever you do your spark plugs. And of course, just Canadian Tire impact, battery powered, not bad for, removing things like this, the cover, which is held by 3 10mm bolts. And then my number 10 socket. That's all I need to do this job. All right, so the cover is out. As I said before, it's held just by 3 10mm bolts, so I've taken those, and this is free. Just place it aside, and as you can see, everything's right there open. So I'm just going to try to loosen all. All right, so the coils, the bolts are out, so now I can pull the coils out. Just wiggle them a little bit. Shouldn't be that tight in there. Okay. And just skim them a little bit. You don't want anything to fall in there. There's not much dust on these ones. If it was a V, then I would say definitely take a blow gun and just blow that dust, because you don't want anything to fall inside. So what normally some people do is they would mark like this one is your number 1, so they would mark this one as 1, then 2, 3, 4. But what I usually do, I pull them, because you want to put it back in the same spot. I would pull the coil and just place it right in front of that cylinder where I pulled it out. So just like that, just line them there, right there. So that's going to be your number 1 to number 4, and right there. So there is some dust on the side, but you know, nothing's gonna fall in there, so I won't worry much. Once I install the new plugs and put the coils loose, then I can go ahead and take my blow gun there and just blow that dust out, just to keep everything clean. So at this point I'm just going to go ahead and remove the old spark plugs. Trying to do this with one hand. There you go. All right, so that's my first one. Not too bad. Yeah, I see the tip is still good, still right there. I mean, I'll go ahead and change it. Well, still actually still good. Spark plug wasn't bad, but the customer did ask that I replaced the spark plugs for them because they haven't done them since they've had the car for a few years now, and they use it quite a lot on highway, and that's why I'm pretty much changing them. But if the customer had asked my opinion before, after pulling one, I would just tell them to leave them for some time. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish pulling the rest and install the new ones. As I said, it's not a complicated job. This can take me about maximum 20 minutes, this kind of job. Well, thanks again for watching my videos, and I hope you learned something. If ever you have any questions, never hesitate sending me a message. God bless.